The new 2025 Audi A5 has been revealed as a replacement for the current A4 sedan and wagon. It's the first production model to ride on the Premium Platform Combustion architecture, an evolution of the Volkswagen Group's MLB architecture. Longer and wider than the A4, the front end features a grille that's flatter and wider than before, as well as thin LED headlights, while the back end features an OLED light bar capable of displaying different animations. At launch, buyers will initially have two engines to choose from. The entry-level unit is a 2.0-liter turbocharged TFSE four-cylinder rated at 148 horsepower. Next up is a 201 horsepower version of this Turbo 4. Alternatively, buyers can choose a 2.0-liter turbo diesel TDI four-cylinder engine with 201 horsepower and 400 Newton-meter of torque, thanks to a mild hybrid system. Both engines are linked to a dual-clutch automatic transmission. The front-wheel drive comes standard, while Quattro all-wheel drive is available on the more powerful TFSI and the TDI. For enthusiasts seeking more, the optional adaptive suspension with adaptive dampers purportedly provides a broader range from comfort to sportiness. The interior gains additional standard and optional technology features and, as you'd expect, more screens. You won't find much in the way of buttons, as most functions are grouped into the 14.5-inch touchscreen that displays the infotainment system. It's part of a curved display that also includes the 11.9-inch digital instrument cluster, and a third 10.9-inch screen located ahead of the front passenger is available. The new Audi A5 will go on sale on the European market in November 2024, with pricing in its home country of Germany starts at $49,300.